Okay. So you know command window now, result window.
Mhm.
What about variables window?
Yeah, I understand that one too.
Okay. Then what are the things that we normally check in properties window?
The properties window, we check the variables and then the data, name, label, type, and the rest.
Okay. Thank you. So I mentioned variables and observation.
Yeah.
So can you tell me the difference between variable and observation now?
Yeah, the observation is looking at like the what the people are looking at.
Okay. Example.
Um, like what the people are looking at, that is the results.
What is observation? Then what is variable?
The observation is looking at something, what the outcome, like what the people are looking at. I don't know how to put it. Uh,
I cited example of, let's say you are working in your place of work, you have 100 staff, and you want to ask them if they are satisfied with what they are earning.
they are ending. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I think I wrote it somewhere, but let me see. Oh, okay.
So
Okay,
I
okay.
said if
I
you
didn't
don't
write
want
that
to.
one. I
What?
didn't write that one.
Okay. So I mentioned that you can call it like number of respondents, the people you are
Okay,
looking at.
okay.
Observation,
Yeah, that's the people you are looking at. Okay,
the people you are looking at. Then for variable, that is the what you are measuring.
okay.
Yes. For example, if you are looking at age, you are looking at their location, you are looking at
Mm-hmm.
the income.
The income, okay.
Yes. So
Okay,
variables are that all the x and the y that you are looking at, those are called variables.
mm-hmm. Okay,
Then observation, I also use another example that you can look at the row and the column. In the row you have observations,
mm.
you have observation row one, row two, that is the people, one after the other, they are observation one,
Okay,
observation two, like that.
okay,
Then
okay.
the
Not
column is the variable.
the column is the variable, yeah.
Yes. Then we move from there. Then I told you, I said you can work with STATA. You can analyze in STATA with what and what. How do you analyze? I mentioned two things. Method, the method you use to analyze. Is it
How
code?
to add that? Come again?
I mentioned that when you want to do analysis in STATA, you can use two
Mm-hmm.
different method. You can use two different methods, command
Um,
and
we use the command and then point to
point and click.
point and click. Yeah.
Yes, okay. So that is it. Then you
Mhm.
know how to import, right? Can you
Yeah.
import? What is the
Yes.
meaning of import? To import.
To import means to bring in something.
Perfect. So what about to export?
Okay. To export means that to send out something to someone.
Perfect. You are correct. Then I mentioned that before, yes, to load. What import means to load, or you want to bring in data, yes. Then I
Yeah.
mentioned that when you have your data sets, after importing or after you open your file.
Mm-hmm.
That's how do you explore the variables? How do you
Okay, you give a
explore?
command of you
Good.
describe it,
Which one?
and then you summarize it,
Good. The third one.
and you browse it.
Perfect. Yay. Professor Alfred. Well done, well done, well done. So let's practice now. Then I mentioned that when do you if I have a file that is already a starter file, do I need to import it?
If you have come again.
If I have a starter file and I want to
Mm-hmm.
work on it in starter, do I need to go and import it, or what will I
No.
do? What will I do?
Oh,
Don't
I'm
worry.
confused.
No, no, no. What will you do now? You want to work on it. If you have Excel and you want to work on it on starter, what will you do?
you will import it, right?
Yes. If it's Excel or
If
it's
you Excel, you will import
CSV,
it.
you will import. But if it's starter itself, like that sec
You
one
ex-
harvest, what will I do?
you explore, like you use the
You will open
you
it
like
direct. You will just
you
open.
open it direct. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. You have it. So now we want to work with so I gave you like a kind of assignment, but we did it together before we closed last yesterday. We open when you explore data in Excel, how does it look? Is it different from when you open starter file itself?
Yeah, it's different
What do you notice?
because when you explore, uh, you will see you see the observation, and then the number of observant.
Yes, you are correct. So let's
Yeah,
pick it up from there. So let's open sec 1 harvest W5.
okay. Let me
Don't forget
okay.
that you have your folder already.
Oh yeah,
So use your folder.
harvest sec one. Okay, you double click, you have your data. Yeah.
Okay, so I will share my screen now. So I've opened the file. This is it. So we are going to start from data exploration. I want to explore because what I want us to do tonight is I want us to look at how to how to identify variable, then how to
Okay.
extract. For example, we have how many variables here? 117, right? And we
Yes.
have 28,256 observation. Let's assume the company sent this file for you to work on. We have different states. We have 36 states. Let me tabulate it. So you can also do this. I want to tabulate. This is like a kind of analysis too. You want to create a table of states. It is called descriptive.
You share the screen. You share your screen.
Yes, I'm sharing my screen.
Okay. Let me see. Okay.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it. Okay.
Okay. So I want to check because you don't know, like we want to assume like you don't know how many this thing here. I want to tabulate. You can write it in full. Is either you say tab or you say tabulate.
Okay.
Okay. So I want to tabulate states because you are not familiar with all these states. This data set is for Nigeria. This
Okay.
is Nigeria general household survey data. See the number of states we have. You
Oh
can
wow.
see, do you see, this is the our state in Nigeria. Like we have Abia, and
Abia.
this frequency is telling you, do you know the meaning of frequency?
No.
Frequency is
Okay.
number of times something occur.
Some of that. Yeah. 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 Okay. You mean okay. Okay. I've seen it. Okay. And the percentage. Okay.
Thank you. So that is it. Oh, we are going to start from there. So this is the number. So this is like a kind of analysis that you may want to
Okay.
perform, like, oh, I really want to know how many people are from Abia state, how many are from this, how many are from, you understand. But let's say your
Yeah.
company did not want you to work on this. Probably they just say, oh, please work on only Abuja. Do you get it?
Okay.
Work on only Abuja. So that is why I'm going to be teaching you how to extract. That is, you want to keep only the variables that you need for your
Okay.
analysis out of this large data set. Do you get it?
Yes.
I've explained what do file is, right?
Yeah.
I
Do far.
also
Yeah.
explained log file.
Yeah.
Good. So let's start with data exploration. This is a way I can quickly tabulate something to see. Oh, so you know from this table now. So oh, I can trace it and say, oh, majority of these people they are from where? Oh, I will look at the percentage. You see, majority are from Adamawa. Do you have the same
Dama.
thing?
Yes.
Majority of these respondents they are from Adamawa, because we have 6.01%, which is the highest, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then because I want to extract what I need. So if you browse, let me teach you point and click, in case if you want to be using all this point and click, if you do not remember the command. But the command is to browse. You want to look, you can come to this data. When you click data, you go to data editor. See this
Mm.
describe.
Oh, okay. Okay.
This
Describe.
that one that we normally write the command that will say describe. You can click on describe data, then you come here. You want to describe data in the memory. So do you see, I always say that you should be patient. Make sure you read when you see any box coming up. See, e say
Yeah.
that variable leave empty for all
For all
variable.
variable.
So you leave it if it's all that you want to do. But if you just want to describe, let's say it's only maybe like zones that you want to do, you will just click that one. But let's describe all. Do you see? It's the same
Yeah.
thing that you will get if you write the command. So when you do point and click, it will show in your history window that you did describe, right? Anything you perform.
Okay.
When I did tabulate state, you see tab state,
Yeah, it's
it will
there.
be
Yeah.
there. So the reason we keep do file is just in case you want to perform that operation again. You will keep it and you just run it at once. You will not need to go and be looking for it. It will do it under few seconds. Do you get? So
Yeah.
now I want to identify, let's work on socioeconomic characteristics of these respondents. Socioeconomic characteristics of respondents. So
Mm.
this is it. For example, you have zone, state, local government sector. All these ones are socioeconomic characteristics. Like where people are, where they are staying, their local government, the sector they belong to, is it rural area or urban.
Urban area. Okay.
Yeah, do you get? That's what sector will measure. Then if you look at this HHID, this HHID is a unique number for a family. Do you know
Okay.
the meaning of household?
Yeah, the household, the number
Yeah.
of people in the house, in the
Yes.
apartment.
Thank you. So that is it. So this household now is very unique to them, to the to individual household. They have their number, just like we bear our surname. You know, like people will say, oh, let's say this is Mr. Alfred. In the family you can have Mr. You have Alfred James, Alfred Akim, Alfred Mary, Alfred Tolu. Do you get it? That
Yeah.
Alfred is the family name, right?
Yeah.
So it's the same way we have HHID, is household ID. If you look
Oh,
at
okay.
the one that followed, we have individual ID.
Individual ID.
So in
Okay.
a particular household, we also have individual ID. For example, in one household, you have somebody that is the head of the family. You can't have two. One will be the head of the family. Then number two maybe is the spouse. Number three, own child. You can have, they have code for individual in the household. For example, if you have maid in the household, they give them a unique number too, so that if it's maid that we want to work with, we will know that, oh, in household one, this maid, they have maid. Household two, they have maid. So all the maids will bear the same number but different household ID. Let's look at it this way so you understand. I want to browse. We'll go to data editor, then you do browse. I don't want to use command today since you already know the command. This is point and click method.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will say browse. Okay, so if we come to this household, it's sorted already, it's sorted. But if it's not sorted, and if you do not have it sorted like this, you can always sort your data. Let's do it together. If you want to sort, you can write sort. What do you want to sort? Maybe I want to sort it by zone. I'll put zone. But I want to sort it by HHID. I want it to follow. So I will do
Yeah.
sort by HHID. I will enter. That is the command way. But if I don't want to use command, I'll come to data. Then you see sort, right?
Okay.
I'll click it. Then what do you want to sort by? I'll pick the variable. I'll put HHID.
Yeah, okay.
Just that the command is always faster. Do you get?
Yeah.
Enter.
That's the short. Yeah, we say it's shortcut.
Yeah, shortcut. So you see now. So this thing now is sorted. I will now go to browse. If you look at it, you see observation 1. Wetin do my network? Sis, is there network? It's not working. Mr. Alfred, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
I don't know. The network is
Yes,
not
I can hear you.
okay. Thank you. Okay, so if you look at this, send me message, please. So if you look at this HHID 1001, that is for household 1. You will see another one 1002. Can you see? Household 2. Are you with me? Shey networkers. It's my network. And it's working on phone now.
Like it's not helping us at all. I don't
And
know.
it's network. But are we
Yeah.
good?
Yeah, yeah. We are good now.
I put on the my other network just in case. So I'm going to do it again. So back here, this is the browse. So if you look at this HHID, you will see that 1001, 1001 for observation 1, observation 2, 3, 4.
Your
Can you see?
screen, it seems, yeah, your screen, I mean, it's freeze. So
Is network. Oh yeah, let's wait for it. Can you see my screen now?
I can see your screen, but the sorting data is still there.
Yes, I'm explaining the I'm explaining here. Can you see my cursor?
Yeah, your cursor is on the sort data. Okay.
Yes. So I want to show you to see that if you look at this HHID, you will see different number. You will see that 1001 is duplicated. Do you see? Up to observation 7. Can you see?
Observation 7.
Look at this one before zone. You will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down to 2 and 20, down to 28,256.
No, it seems it's not working.
Can you see I'm moving my
Your
cursor?
cursor,
Yes.
but yeah, you are moving your cursor, but it's not showing here. It's still it's stuck here. Your cursor is stuck.
Okay. I'm going to close it. Which window are you seeing now?
I'm seeing only the output window.
Yes. So I'm going back now to browse. Are we
Let me,
together?
yeah,
So use your
let me.
own. Use your own system too. Do what I'm doing.
I can't see what you are doing. Let me see.
I will
I've
stop
screen
sharing and I want you
I've
to share.
screenshot. I'll send it to your WhatsApp. Just see how the thing is looking. Okay, you go off. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I stop share. I'm not sharing my screen again. Share your own.
Okay.
Mm. Let's use your screen.
Mm.
Do you remember that I mentioned that when you are writing your command, it should be in small letter?
Small letters, yeah, and then space.
Yes.
I don't know why the sharing is not it's not working. It's not
Give it
showing.
time. It will work.
I go to the share button.
Mm.
I click
Yes.
live dot.
Choose.
So I choose window, right?
Share entire stuff.
Entire screen.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, and then share.
Mm.
Okay.
Perfect. Good. Now open the document.
Yeah, it's open.
Is it open?
Okay, let me open the document. Okay.
You can use this file too. On that file, you will go there and open. Good.
Okay, I've opened it. Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, sort this data by the way you want it to be.
Which data should I sort? The states?
Sort by HHID.
Okay.
Good. What happened? You got one error.
Yeah, I get one wrong. I tried to use the command.
Uh-huh.
So I type sort,
Uh-huh.
but I forgot to add the HHID.
I love the way you grab. So you know that it's because you are telling starter sort what? You did not tell
Sort
the
what?
what.
Yes.
So that's what
So
happened.
I got it wrong. Yeah.
So if you next time, but why do you change to point and click? You can still use your code, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, try to use code. Write the code. Let me see.
The code
Write
for,
sort. Then bring in HHID. I want to know, maybe you don't know how to bring it to the command.
okay, I'll write sort and then
No, oh yeah,
space.
go to your variables window.
Yeah, I click on it.
See that arrow that is showing like you want to download it. Click that arrow.
Mhm.
Click the arrow.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
You see that it's here now. So that's how you will bring variable to the command window.
Okay.
Perfect, right?
Okay. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, working now.
So that's how
Then
to do.
enter.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So that's how to do it. So no
Oh, okay.
problem. So I want you to see that for HHID, now go to browse it. Use point and click. You already know command. Use point and click. Good. Now, can you see when your observation 1? What is the HHID for observation 1?
For observation one, it's 11001.
Thank you. What is HHID for observation 2?
Yeah, it's also 10001.
Thank you. Up to observation 7, what is the HHID?
Observation 7. Yeah, it's also 1001.
Okay. So from observation 1 to 7, they have the same HHID,
The
right?
same, yeah, the same, yeah, the
What
same
does
number.
that mean?
Oh,
It means that they belong to the same family.
oh, okay, yeah. Okay, okay,
I just want you to
okay.
try. I've not explained that before. It means
Yeah,
that they
yeah.
belong to the same family. Now, if you
Okay.
look at the individual number, okay, jot down.
Okay.
I'll wait.
Done. Okay.
Okay, so look at the individual number.
The individual number, okay. The observation one is 1,
Okay,
and then observation 2 is 2,
uh-huh.
3,
Observation 3.
4. Observation 3
Mm-hmm.
is 3.
Okay,
Observation 4 is 4.
okay,
And then observation 5 is 8.
okay. So now let's look at observation 8.
Mm-hmm.
Observation 8 is what? What is the HHID number?
The observation 8 is 1002.
Okay. What is the individual number for that observation?
1.
Okay. So I'm not saying that you see that individual number
Mm-hmm.
in any family, the household head individual number is 1. Their
Okay.
spouse is 2. You see number 3, 4, 5, 6 represents like they are the children. So you will always see something like child, maybe like the firstborn, the third, you understand? Their child, the
Yeah.
children in the family. We have domestic help to also have their unique number too. So
Yeah.
in any household, you can have individual to be number one, number one, number one. Do you get it? But
Okay.
the only thing that uniquely identify each household is that their number. If they
Okay.
belong to the same family, they have the same household number, but they
Okay.
will have different individual number. Do you
Numbers.
get it?
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so the number that uniquely identify each of these observation is their household head, is their household
Okay.
number. But
Okay.
in for individual, you can have number one in one family, in another family there's another person that is still number one. Do you get it?
Okay.
Okay, so we are going to now, we want to extract data, and you can close this one. Let's extract data. We'll be using your screen.
Okay.
Okay, so describe this data set now. Describe, you can use command, you can use point and click, anyone you want to use. You prefer command, that which is good.
Yeah.
So yes, so now we have this. So I want to look for, okay, these are the list of variables that I want to look at the socioeconomic characteristics of this household. So I want you to identify, look for age. Which number asks for age of respondent?
Let me go up.
So I need their age, I want to know their location, I want to know the state they are from, local government, the sector they belong to, and I want to know their gender.
So.
So I need age. So this is a shortcut. Let me give you this. You
Mm-hmm.
can look for, type look for together, no space.
Look for. Okay.
Yes. Now
That
space. The first thing I told you that I want to know their sex.
age. Their sex. Okay.
Age. Oh yeah, type sex.
Mm-hmm.
Enter. If it's there, it will show us. If it's not there, do you see? This is a
Oh, okay.
question that is asking for what is the sex of the name.
Of the name. So
Yes.
first, we need to find out the name, right?
No, you see that name, they put it there because we have different individual in one household.
One household. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
so if it's an individual one, they are referring to like, okay, what is the sex of this particular person now? Maybe it's household head. Household head will supply information when they are talking about the spouse too. The spouse will supply information if they have 7 children in that family that is there in that household, as at the time they are collecting this data set, that person will also supply information. That is why they put it at what is the sex of the name. So it's all of them that will supply. Do you get it?
Mm, yeah.
So that one, if you notice, there's nothing like name of a person in this place. They use code for them.
Okay. Okay.
So you already know that. Now you need to write it down. That is what I call data identification. Maybe like what I want to do in my objective, I want to look at the age, the gender, the um the religion. Maybe I want to look at their location, where they are staying, the zone, local government. I want to look at their education, information about their education.
Mm-hmm.
Yemi, good evening sis. So we have to identify where these things, all these variables, where they are in the data set.
Okay.
So write it down. S1 Q2 is the gender. I don't know because of TikTok. As I'm mentioning sex. Sees me.
X1
S1Q2.
is the gender. Okay.
Yes. Now, I love you. My sister is online. So, Mr. Alfred, we
Mm-hmm.
also want to look for age.
Mm-hmm.
We want to look for age. So
So
you
I'll
can still
I'll
say
type look for it.
yes. If it's not there as age, you will get your result now. Age.
So
Age is not there. Oh yeah.
it's not there.
No, type
Oh.
it. You've not entered. It's not giving you any information yet. Wow, it's there. Oh. Can you imagine? I don't
Mhm.
even know. So see, the first one, S1Q6, is asking, what is the variable label? Read the variable label.
The variable label is there's nothing. Is how old is
How old is the name, right?
the name, and
Then
then
it's
age
saying
is
that age
completed
in
year. How
completed
old?
year.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yes, yeah.
S1Q6 is talking about age. Put it there.
S1, yeah, S1Q6. Oh, okay,
Do you
okay.
understand?
I see. Oh, interesting. Yeah.
Now, if you look at the remaining two that I'm seeing, they said, how was the money received from the name used? Mortgage fund. Who is this person? When I'm having training. I'm sorry, please. So, do you see the other two? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Like,
How was the
is it
money
what you are
received
looking for?
from? Mhm.
Is it what you are looking for?
Yes.
Read it. Read it. I don't
How
want to
was the
rush
money
you.
how was the money received from name and mortgage found for land or houses?
Do you need that information?
We don't need.
Do you see? It brought it out because of that mortgage. You know, you are the
Oh,
one that
okay.
you ask the this thing to search for anything age. That's
Okay.
why it's
Okay.
leading you towards that thing. So if anybody is working on mortgage, this person will just come here and say, oh, this is the variable I need. So that one is gone. Now let's look for religion. Then we'll stop there. Religion.
Religion. Religion. Religion. Oh.
You don't need, you will just go back to the end. Sis, go and eat. You better eat. Oh, spaghetti. Spicy indomie. So do you see now which variable,
Mm-hmm.
which one which one is talking about the religion that you need?
Is S1Q24.
So you will write it somewhere.
Mm, mm,
Do you get it? What we are doing
yeah.
now is like you want to identify where all these variables are. So I'm the one that introduced it into the curriculum because when I'm using data, secondary data, many people want to use secondary data but they don't know how to extract. But the first thing is you are not just going to be working with all the data according to the information or the kind of analysis you want to do. Now we want to analyze the socioeconomic characteristics of this respondent. That is the first thing I want us to do. We want to analyze the socioeconomic characteristics of this respondent. Now we don't need all the informations. So I just want us to pick, like, we need their the sex, the age, the religion, location, zone, local government, education level. Now search for education to see if you will get the information about education here. So if we can't find it in this data, that means we'll go and look for it in another data set. You know we have many there, right?
Yeah.
So after you now notice that is in another data set, you put search for, the command is look for.
Hey.
I love, see, it's okay to like make mistakes so that you remember, oh, this thing. Then when you
Yeah.
make, if you click, if you write anything and it's error, there's no penalty. The only thing is you will do it again. Do you get
Okay.
it? Oh yeah, look for education. Oh yeah, read it. Oh,
What is or was the name biological father? The biological father's highest education, grade, and completed.
okay. You see that this particular one now is asking about the education of the biological father.
Yes.
So we may keep it, but this is not, it's not talking about the education of the person gangan. You, do you understand that?
Yes.
So you can write it down, but this is biological father's education. Write it down.
Yes.
We'll keep it.
And the second one too is asking for biological
Mother.
a mother.
Do you see? Now the third one is asking about what?
It's asking about the at that time name left the household. What was the highest education level?
Okay.
Oh my God.
Do you see? Then the last
Hmm.
one is saying what?
What is the highest education level completed of name
Now.
as of now?
Perfect, right? So
Yes.
you may,
You are.
let's keep it. Let's keep S1 Q28, S1 Q3, S1 Q39. But please write what they mean. You will know that is, this one is highest education of the biological father. The second one is
Okay.
biological mother's highest education. The third
Okay.
one is the former, before the, that one is talking about migration. Before the name left the household, what was the highest education level? So it will be highest education level before. I will use it to teach you something, because data
Wow.
is not something that is like, it's just static. Things are changing. You have to follow it based on what you are doing. So nobody can say, oh, like you don't know analysis, you can't know it, so that's the end. No way. Just understand the basic, then the remaining one is you apply knowledge. Like this thing I'm doing, does it make sense? Is it going the way I want it to go? So it is not about,
Yeah.
oh, I sabi it, everything I know every day. You have to look for, okay, this is, I already know the knowledge. This, if I want to do 2 times 2, I can write it and say 2 in 2 places. That's what it means. Another person will just count stone, while one will just say, this is 2 now, and this is another 2, let me just add it together, and you get your answer. So if they say, oh, 2 times 4, you say, oh, 2 here, 2 here, 2, 2. And that person will say, I will say 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and you get your answer, right? So it's the same
Yeah.
thing. Don't let anybody bamboozle us.
I'm done. Yeah.
You are done, right? So for now, this is what we have in this data. That is data identification. You've put them down, right? You know what each of
Yes.
these things is. So now when you want to extract, there are 2 ways we normally do it. We can either say, STATA, please help me to delete all these variables, I don't need them. The command is drop. Do you understand? If you want to
Okay.
delete, variable, you will say drop. So the command is drop.
So I will type drop
Yes.
like this.
Yes. Now, which variable do you want to drop? Do you get it? You have to know the variable you want to drop. That is a way of extracting. Another
Okay.
thing you can
Okay.
do is, you want to keep. you will tell STATA that please keep these variables, or just one, this variable, or all these variables, please help me to keep them. The command is keep, and you will list
Keep.
all, yes, keep, and you will list all the variables that you want to keep. Now,
I guess I have to write all the command.
I like Mr. Alfred, eh?
Yeah. He
Mhm.
said that if you want to delete or extract.
If you want to see, the two is about extraction. You want to extract data, you want to bring something out. So there are two ways. You will delete the one you don't need. The second way is you will keep the one that you need. It's the same thing. So drop
Mm,
is equal to delete in STATA.
okay.
While keep is to retain. You want to retain.
And if you want to re, is if you want to make retain, that's keep, right?
Keep, yes.
Okay.
We are good, right? Now,
Yes, I'm good.
this is where I normally say when you are learning anything, analysis is about like um okay, I will just call it like it's common sense. Do you get it? Common sense.
Mm.
For example, look at these variables. How many variables do we have in this data set? We are using your screen. Oh. How many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
No. Variables. You will go to the properties, that properties window, to go and check how many variables do you have, how many observations do you have.
It's one. Okay, 117.
Okay, thank you. So we have 117 variables. Then we have
Yeah,
observation to be how many?
28,256.
28,256. Good. So when you are extracting, you can extract observation if you don't need all the observation. If you need maybe like a particular state, or like I mentioned that in this data set we have 6 geopolitical zones, like north central, you can see them, right?
Yeah.
To make it clear, I want you to tabulate NIX potato,
So
anything anything you
the
want to
short
make for
the
me.
short the short form is TAP, right?
Yes. Now tabulate zone. Mr. Fred has started doing analysis in 2 days. Oh yeah, perfect. So what can you say about this table?
Okay, I can see the frequency, that's the time, percentage, and then column. Yeah,
Cumulative. That cum
cumulative.
is cumulative, yes.
Oh, okay.
So you have in the zones, you have north central, northeast, northwest, southeast,
Southeast and
southwest, and
southwest. Mhm.
south is there, right? You see that
Yes.
number beside each of them is
Mm-hmm.
their code.
Oh, okay.
So what is code for south?
South is 5.
Perfect.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. So when I say
Oh,
you can extract observation observations, if the only people you want is like I only want to work with those in the south, eh, observation,
okay.
you will just say, you will write the command. The command is going to be have option, so it's going to be keep if, write it, If you want to extract
Okay,
observation, the command is keep if.
I'm coming.
Hello, Helen. Let me see.
Okay, come again. If you want to extract
Keep
observation,
if,
keep
if,
if like is it
I,
together
if,
or
if.
if? Okay.
If now look at your screen, is the zone that has is the heading for all this north central, north east, north this. What is their heading? Zone, right?
Yes, zone.
You will now put that particular headings that all of them are under. So it's going to be keep if zone.
Zone.
Yes, that zone, the heading.
Okay.
Equal, equal. We are going to write equal to twice. Equal, equal.
Equal, equal.
The code of the one you want to retain. What is the code? Southeast.
Uh, the south. Is it southeast or south?
South, south, sorry.
5.
You will write it.
Okay.
Perfect, right?
Yeah.
So let's take for example, that is if you want to keep observation, you want to extract observation. You don't want to work with all of them. You are dealing with only south, south. That is the command you will use to extract the one that you need. Now, what if the one you need is not central? What is the code you are going to write?
Come again.
If you want to extract only north central,
Yeah. Only enough is keep if zone equal 1.
thank you. So the same way, if we want to go to sex, tabulate sex, let me see. Where is your sex? S1 keywords. You put something down that time.
Yeah, let me sex. That's the sex is the gender, right?
Yes,
Yeah, it's S1Q2.
thank you. So tabulate S1 Q2.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Sister Fred is. Oh yeah, what can you see?
Okay. Yeah, I see a code for male and a code for female.
What is code for male?
Code for male is 1,
What about female?
2.
Okay. Let's say you want to extract data for only those that are female. What will be your code? What is the command you will write?
Keep if
Uh-huh.
uh keep if sex.
Go ahead.
Yeah, keep if sex equal 1.
Which one are you keeping, male or female?
Male.
You want to keep
Male.
male, so it's going to be equal 1, right?
Yeah, equal 1.
But if it's female, what will you write?
Yeah, all right. Keep if sex equal 2.
Thank you. So that is how to extract observation, right?
Yeah.
Observation. So keep it. Now, if you want to extract variables, you can browse browse your data set, so that you will I mentioned that the row is where the observations are, right?
Yeah.
Why the column? is variable.
Yeah, the columns are variable. Yeah.
Yes, browse it so that we'll see it together.
Which one? Which is that, which one should I browse?
Browse all the data, all
Okay,
of
all the
them.
data. Okay.
Okay, so the column is this one, the straight line, up to down, up down. While we are talking about row, is left to right. Do you get it?
Left, right. Okay.
That's why you
Okay.
have observation 1 2 3 4 5. Now you have variable, zone, state, local government, sector, ea, hhid. Do you understand?
Yeah.
To the last one. Now if you want to extract variables, the command is going to be keep.
Keep if.
Not keep if, keep. Then you will list the variables you want to keep.
No, come again. Come again.
If you want to extract variables,
Okay. Okay.
let's say out of this 117 that we have, I want to keep only, let's say, 12.
Okay. Go ahead.
You want to keep only 12. So it's going to be, you have done variable identification that time. You
Yeah.
listed those ones. So you are going to say keep. You will now list all the variables that you want to keep. Maybe it's S1, Q1, zone, state, S1, Q24. Do you get it?
Mm.
That's
Mm.
now let's go to practical. Close this browse window. I want you to do it now. I want you to extract the variables that we need. We mentioned that we need all this one. We need zone, state, local government, sector,
Sector.
HHID,
Mhm.
individual. Now I
Individual.
want you to keep them. What is the command?
Keep.
Write it. Now list the variables you need.
Um, the queue. So
No, start from, we need zone. Start from
we
zone.
need.
Is up. Zone is the first one. Good.
Okay.
We need state.
Then. All right. I'm on the right path.
Yes, you've put zone. Put state too. Thank you.
Okay. So
Perfect.
and then
Local
Igba.
government. Yes.
Local government. Okay.
Sector.
Sector.
HHID. I don't know. Are you
And
sure?
individual.
No, I don't know. Now, we need sex. Where is sex there? Which one is representing the sex?
Um.
Use your book. You
That's the S1 Q2.
Thank you. Put it there. Which other ones do you listed again? S1 Q6.
S1 Q6. Okay.
Use
That's
your
the
book.
no S1 Q6 is the age.
Yes. Put it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, which one again? You put.
Uh
Check your book now. You wrote it down.
I want to like
Yeah, we are
yes,
not
let's
rushing.
see.
Just be doing it. It's only you. So take your time.
Yeah. And then age and we put age,
Yes.
that's the sex, old, okay. Religion,
What's code for religion? S1 Q.
S1 Q24.
Put it. Why do you type it? Why don't you do point and click? What if the don't forget, oh, I told you that starter is case sensitive kind of. If your S1Q24 is written in small letter and you now put it as capital letter, it will tell you that variable not found. So
Not
I
found.
always
Okay.
advise beginner to always click, bring it by clicking. So you can always scroll down. Do you see?
Yeah,
Scroll.
okay. Okay.
Good. Good.
Mm.
So your S1Q24 is there. Which other one do you list at that time?
Um, that's I think the highest education of the father. That
Of the
one we
father.
don't need. We don't need. Yeah, and
I
we
want
need
you
it.
to
Do we need
put it. I just want us to add some things. You know we are learning.
it?
Yes.
SQ28. Okay.
2 what?
28.
Okay. Good. Perfect. Which one again?
Mother.
What is the code for it, Abi? Uh-huh.
SQ33.
I want you to enjoy. Yes.
Mm. And
Which one
then
again?
the household.
Do you still need any other thing?
Yeah.
Which one?
It's that's the SQ S1Q3AB.
It's getting it. 3.
S1Q3A.
Okay, yeah, look for it. Yes.
A.
I should change
Is
this.
it 39B?
That's what I've been doing. 39B, right?
Yeah, 39B. Okay.
Are we good? What is
Yeah.
S1Q39B?
Is the household, right? Those who left.
Okay. Okay, I
Yeah.
get it. That one that was asking what was the education before leaving and after, right?
Yeah.
So look at it. How many variables do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think this is 12, right?
Yeah, let me check. 12.
12. So the reason we are using keep, because like normal common sense, out of 117 we just want to remove 12. So it's okay for us, it's very smart for us to use keep, like data and starter, please help me to keep only these 12 variables, instead of us to go and say drop and we now list 102 variables to drop. Do you get it?
Mm.
So do you see
Yeah.
that it's smart like that? So now enter. What has happened?
Okay. Okay. Uh, with the let me check.
How many
The
observation do you
variables.
have? How many observation do you have now? How many variables do you have?
Yeah, the variable has decreased
To 12.
to 12 and
So what you have
observation.
done is data extraction. So you remove
Okay.
only the variables that you need from this large data set, instead of
Oh, okay.
117, because it's secondary data. You only need 12 from this particular one. So that is
Okay.
what you have done. That is the skill, oh, shikena, right? But let's say out of this, you still have
256.
28,256, but I want you to only work with
Keep.
people in the, let's say, maybe like southeast. How do you do that?
Yeah. For the observation.
Yes, you want to only extract those in the southeast. You don't have business with other ones.
Okay. So I will keep, like keep if.
Perfect, do it.
He said which one? The south, only the south,
The southwest.
the southwest. The southwest. Okay. Keep zone. The equal sign.
Yes,
Where can I find the equal sign?
on your laptop.
Okay, the shift. Okay.
Shift and
Oh,
that plus.
oh no.
You have to press the shift with it.
No, if I press the shift, it give me plus.
No, no, no. If you press shift
Okay.
and press the
I have to press.
plus.
No, I have to press the FN.
Okay, okay, your system is different. Okay.
Yeah.
Equal, equal. Or is it just one equal that I mentioned? Okay, equal,
Yeah,
equal.
it's
Yeah.
equal, and then the code.
What is the code?
The south. It says southeast, right?
Yes.
Which, okay, it's 4. The code is 4.
Perfect. So yeah, do it.
Okay. Then enter, right?
Yes.
But why is it that they keep if? I mean, the color should change, or it doesn't matter.
Ah, maybe let me see why. No, you did not put space between the keep.
The keep and if, right?
Yes, keep
Okay.
is the command. If is the option. Yes,
Oh, okay.
perfect. I love your
Yeah.
observation. Like now you know that when you are using STATA 17, if your command is not showing blue, you will know that there's something wrong with this command. So thank
Something
you.
wrong. Yeah.
Oh yeah, enter. What has happened?
Oh my God. It has reduced to 3,493.
Okay. So you have how many? How many observation is remaining?
The observation
Yes.
is 24,000. No.
I will not tell
The
you.
remaining one is 3,000 is 3,493.
You are correct. So deleted observations are 24,763.
24,763. Yeah, that's the deleted one.
This is how you will know that we know that this command cannot fail. But if you look at your table, the one you tabulated, what is the frequency of those from the southeast? What is their frequency? Like how many of them?
Let me check. Southeast is 3,000. Oh, okay. 3,493.
So how many observations do you have now? Can you see?
3,000 3,493.
So good. Somebody
Okay.
is saying
Okay.
that you should please state the command again. If you want to keep observation, what is the command you use?
If I want to do what?
If you want to keep observation, you want to extract observations.
Observation.
Yes.
Yeah. You keep you go to command, then you type keep. keep if.
Keep if.
Then yeah, then zone.
The
Then
headings,
you
right? The heading of what you
yes,
want to keep. For
the
example,
heading.
if it's
Yeah, the
zone,
heading.
it will be
Keep
keep
zone.
if zone. Continue.
Yes, keep if zone. Then the equal sign. Then you type
The
the
equal
code
sign, is it just
for that
one or
particular
two?
zone.
The equal sign, is it one or two?
Is
E-
two
equal
equal
equal.
sign.
Then the code of what you want to keep.
One you want to yeah.
Okay, so if you want to keep observation, you want to extract observation, that is the what is observation? People, maybe like people from a particular location. For example,
Yeah.
you want to keep people that are from, let's say the one we did now is southeast, and the code for southeast is 4. So the command is going to be keep space if the headings is zone. That heading is zone. Under zone is where we have north central, north east and other. So you say keep if zone equal sign twice, then the code of what you want to keep. Shike na right? If it's variable that you want to extract, it's going to be keep, and you will list the variables that you want to keep. Case close. So thank you so much, Mr. Alfred. Now we are going to move to renaming, because you have S1, Q2, S1, Q6. Anytime you want to work on this thing, you have to like look for the meaning again. You have to keep on opening your book to know what S1, Q2 is. So if you want to rename in STATA, the command is rename. Do you see? The command is what? Rename. So you will rename, put the old name and the new name. You will write rename, which is the command. The old name that you want to change, you will put it there. Then you will write the new name you want to give it. So let's practice it. No, rename. No D.
Rename, okay.
Yes. Space. Put S1Q2. Bring it to the command. I don't want you to be typing. Be bringing it so that
Oh,
to avoid error. Yes.
okay.
Perfect. What is the
Q2.
new name that you want to call it?
Uh S1 S no, I don't get it. Come again.
Okay. That time when you were identifying all these variables, you
Mm-hmm.
remember the name. You say S1Q2 is sex.
It's sex, and the S1Q6 is the age.
The age. Now this S1Q2, I think it will be okay for you to call it sex or gender
Okay,
so that you remember.
okay,
Yes.
okay. So
So what
let's
is,
rename the age.
no, rename this one first. Finish this one you are doing.
Okay, okay.
You
So
are going to
enter.
rename all of them so that you remember them.
Oh, why is it's giving me? Oh my God.
You know what you did? No, read the error. Read what is telling you. There's
Rename.
syntax error.
The syntax error is rename.
Uh-huh.
Uh, Old name,
Then,
then new name.
so you put rename old name. You didn't tell the new name to rename it with. Do you see? So the error
Hmm.
is also suggesting to you that is the syntax is, you will write rename, put the old name,
So
then
what will be
write
the
the new.
the new name?
So the new name is sex that you want to give it. Me, I can decide to call
Oh,
my own gender. Uh-huh.
oh, okay, okay.
Now write the new name.
So the new name, I'll just type sex.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. What has happened?
Okay, let me. The name, if you check the when you go to the variable,
Window.
you see the variable to be x1 q2, and then the name be sex. So and
It
then the
has changed
label,
to sex, right? Good.
yes.
Perfect. You are correct. Now I want you to rename all of them. S1, Q6. Right, rename them, rename them, rename them. Do. Oh yeah, do.
Are you checking? I thought I thought you are not following.
I'm following you.
Eh,
Okay.
oh,
Just delete. Good. What is the new name you want to give it? Perfect, right? I noticed that
mhm.
your age, you started the age as
Ye-
capital letter, right?
capital A, yeah.
And there's
Then I
nothing
go back.
wrong. It will take it like that. But when you want to perform your analysis, make sure you pick it like that so that it will appear as capital letter A for the age. Do you understand?
Mm,
So you can write your variable, you can even write everything in capital letter as far as it's not command. Do you get it?
okay,
So rename the
okay.
remaining one. Let's go. Thank you so much, people. Good. So rename them. Perfect.
Let
Oh
me check.
yeah, no problem. Bring it back on purpose. I allow you to. Now click on that rename, the one that is giving you error. Click. I want you to come back to command. Yes. No, click it now. From the history. Yes. Click it from the history.
The history, okay.
You see, you say rename S1 Q28 and you put highest space education space of space. It's supposed to be one single line. So you
Oh,
are the
okay,
one to put shorthand. You can do highest. You can do highest. Use underscore and you put,
okay.
or you can even write further h
Like something
e
like this, highest underscore.
yes. So say further education, you can say further edu.
Okay, father education and mother education.
Yes,
Okay,
further.
okay. That's perfect. Okay.
Then you do underscore education. Good, it's okay. You can say edu if you don't want it to be too long. You can write it in full edu. You already know what it means, right? Another person
Mm-hmm.
can bring it if it's assignment now. Maybe that one will say highest father edu. Another person will come and say father edu highest. Do you get it? It doesn't
Okay.
matter. You are the one that owns your work. you are the one that know the meaning. Do you get it? Case
Okay.
closed. You don't do am.
Okay.
Oya, do the remaining two. You suppose to ask me like, is there no a way you can just rename everything at once?
Mm, is there a way?
Yes. Write rename, open a
Mm-hmm.
bracket,
Mm-hmm.
put the one you want to, the first one, good. The second one too, put. So even if it's 20, you can put all of them like that. Now close the bracket. Space. Open another bracket. Now, what is the name of this S1Q33? That what is the new name you want to give S1Q33?
That's the mother education.
Oh yeah, write it. Mother
Mm,
underscore edu.
okay. Then
Now
space, right?
space. Yes. What is the name you want to give S1Q39B?
S1 K2 is those who, I mean, who left
That is education before.
education before and then after.
Yes.
Okay.
So you can write edu before. You can even say
Underscore.
edu left. Yes.
So I'll put underscore.
Yes, put underscore.
Okay, then bracket close.
Thank you. Enter.
All right.
You have done it at once, right?
Oh wow. Fantastic.
Fantastic. Good.
Hmm.
So that is how to do it, Mr. Alfred. So well
Okay.
done. What you have done today is you have done data identification, how to identify the data you need. You can read it one line by line, or you use the command look for and you will type what you are looking for. It will suggest and bring those things to you. If you look up here too, under your variables window, there is a search button there.
Mm-hmm.
You can always search for something too, even when the data set is large. Instead of the same way we are saying look for, you can write age, you can write edu. It will bring all those things that suggest edu or edu. Then you'll be able to read it like shortcuts. How to work
Okay.
smart. Do you get it? So what
Okay.
you have done today now, you have done data identification, you have extracted data, and you have also renamed. You have renamed.
Yeah.
Now let me show you a point and click of how to label this data set.
Okay.
If you look at describe it so that we know what we have now. Describe. Sorry, I will leave you soon. Describe.
Describe.
Good. If you look at the variable label, it is that label that help us to know that, oh, what is the sex of the name, what is the how old is this person. Do you get it?
Mm-hmm.
So this is we can label just in case if your own data, maybe like somebody give you a data and is not well labeled, you will not know who owns this, what is this thing talking about. Well, I'm just seeing old name, this one, that one. There's a way you will do point and click. Now for this data sets now, if you remember, we still have this one as household level, right?
Mm-hmm.
We have it at household level. That means that there's still duplicates in the HHID. You still have information about all the household. That's what I mean, right?
Okay.
So this data is at individual level. Do you want to browse it so that we see?
Let's browse it. Yeah.
Browse. You see that the HHID is still is replicated, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we can also extract. Let's say in the household, you just want to deal with only the household head. You want to compare the household head in family A, B, C, D to the last one. You know we can extract it.
Yeah.
Okay. You know that what is the code for household head? I've been talking about household head. In the individual, what is the individual code for if somebody is the head of the family? What is the code for it?
It's one.
Thank you. Now go to the command space. I want you to only extract information about household head.
Uh,
What is the command?
it's keep.
If
Yeah, keep if let me check. I'm coming. Just a minute.
is under individual, the HHID is individual.
Yeah, HH, okay. It's under individual, so okay. So keep if HHID,
Mm-hmm.
then equal, the equal sign should be two. Then
Yes.
the code one.
Thank you. Oh yeah, write it. You know you can always tabulate to be sure. You will just tabulate individual to know. Like,
Okay, okay.
but you know it now. Yeah, do it. You are writing HHID. Why under HHID is where you have their household number, but it's individual that you want to do. Indiv.
Oh, so individual, I will write, let me
Go
see.
and bring it. Don't write it. Go and bring it so there won't be error. Uh-huh. Okay, can you read the command out? Let me
Yeah,
guess.
it's keep space if
Uh-huh.
space individual
Mm-hmm.
space equal the equal signs and then the code
One. Oh yeah, enter
one.
it. So thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So
Okay.
now, how many observations do you have?
It's 647.
Thank you. So let me brief you because I noticed that I've been the way I'm teaching you, like I'm allowing you to do it and you are now let me explain. You see the remaining thing that you have in this data set out of 28,256. Let's say our assignment is to extract only household head from what is that zone that we extracted that time? What is code for 4? I think south what? Let's scroll up. Let me see.
The
Good.
four is the southeast.
So only from those from southeast. Do you get it? So this
Mm-hmm.
information is only for those in southeast. Is it clear?
Okay, yeah.
Now go and save this file now. I want you to tell me how you are going to save this file now. Save. We did save yesterday.
Oh, yeah. Like I should use point and click.
Yes. mm. Thank you. Now
Yeah.
which name you will give? South what?
Southeast.
Household head.
Yeah.
Southeast household head.
Household
Perfect.
what?
Head. That is the head of the family.
Yeah, head. So,
You can even leave it like that. Do you get it? You are the one that save it. You know what you save your work with.
inclusive, yeah.
It has saved, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to leave you here, but you have assignments which
Okay.
you can do now. So you are going to do the same thing because I want to use it to teach you how to merge data. If you want to
All
merge
right.
data sets together, you know we did not get information about this household head education. You remember?
Yeah,
We
yeah.
did not get the education information, but I know if you look at that PDF that I sent to you today, if you open it and you go to section 1, section 2, section 3, you will see that section 1, the one we are using, is talking about the household roster. Section 2 is about the education.
Mm.
That was the reason I told you from the beginning that you should just copy section 1 and section 2.
Okay. Okay.
So if you look at that PDF too, the headings that is giving direction, you will see that we have information about their consumption, the food they eat. We have information about their expenditure too. We have information about their health. Perfect. I have smart participants. Mr. Alfred already opened the PDF. No time to waste. Thank you. Up, beginning. Oh yeah, after this one, let me see the second page. Good. You see the third
Mm.
page.
Okay.
So this is the questionnaire they use for the information we are using. Oh yeah, let me see the next page. The next. You see from here, table of contents.
Okay.
You
The
see,
household roster, the education. Okay.
do you see section up, section, and they put 1, 2, 28, 2C, 2
Yes.
this, 2 that.
Yes.
Do you see? So
So,
section
so
2
what
is
so what does it mean? What does what does the section 1228 mean?
okay. You see, when they design the questionnaire, question paper like this, that they use to collect the information, this is the PDF. Do you get it?
Okay. Yeah.
This is the PDF they use. So they put it in different sections so that people, if you want to answer household roster, they put it as section 1, and it run from page, if you go to page 6, you will see that that is where section 1 starts from, and it ends in 19, page 19. That is why section 2 starts from page 20.
Okay. 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 I've seen it.
Do
Okay.
you
I
see?
get it.
So
Yeah.
if somebody wants to work on women dietary diversity, that person will get the information under section 30, which is in
Yes.
that data set that I gave you. You know there are many there.
Okay. Okay.
So now for education, you want to work, I want to extract education. There's no need to be struggling and all those things. The PDF is already pointing you towards where it is. So in that data set, section 2 is where education is. In your starter file. So we've copied that one into the folder, the one you have in your desktop. See anthropometry. Since you work in the health sector, see housing, see information about safety net, economic
Safety
shock,
nets. Yeah.
yes, labor, time use, migration, subjective skill, child care, early child development. So anybody can use this data.
Okay. Okay. I see.
Come on, man. Go and look for it. Leave me alone. Okay, it's here. See up now. See where those spices. So are we good?
Yeah.
So I want you to extract the same thing we did though. We are going to extract household head from the same location that you use for this one. I think it's southeast, Abi. Code 4.
Let me. Yeah. Code for that the southeast. Yeah.
You've saved this one, you can close this. So let's say you want to create a do file for this one that you have done now. You will just copy this your history and you go and keep it. So open the sec 2. So you need to identify where this thing is. If I want to work on this now, I'll first delete those ones that I don't need. I will do and keep if individual equal 1. I already know that is remaining only household head. I will do again, I will say keep if zone equal that particular one that you need. Then the remaining one, you will now look for where the education that you are looking for is. You will now say keep so s something s2 something. Yeah, do it.
I'm tired.
You are tired because I know you came back from somewhere and you started the class. Your time is actually up, but that is your assignment. You have to do
So
it.
what's the assignment? What's the assignment? What do you
The
want me to do?
assignment
Yeah.
is that you should keep the education information. You can have like 3. If you talk about the highest level of education, you will have another. Maybe you should look for education, so that will guide you on that. Look for, you can use the command so you will not stress yourself.
Okay. Right.
Enter, let me see. Do you see? So S2 Q9 is saying what is the highest educational
Highest
level?
education level
So you will
completed.
write it in your book. You are doing data identification like that. You will say S2 Q9, that is highest education level. S2 Q21, this one is talking
Is the
about
person who
who
paid
pay
for
for the.
most education member of the household.
If you need it, you will put it. Now there's
Okay.
another one that is saying who pay for most of the education.
Yeah.
If you need it, you will write it. S to Q to 1B, what is the relationship of the person paid? Do you see?
Yeah.
Now describe this data, because I know that there are some that they may not say education. You can say schooling. You can look for school.
Okay. So let me describe it.
So if you describe, you have to read it one after the. So that one that already pointed you to S2 Q9. So you can look around that place and know that, oh, this is where information about education will be. So start from S2 Q9. You can look up, look down and see if you will need this thing. See, good. See Q9 now.
Yeah, S to Q9. What's the highest education level?
See S to Q8.
At the at what age did did the
So you
name
can
start
look for
school?
the age they start. If you need it, if it's going to help your analysis, you can put that one too. Now look at S to Q6.
S to Q6. Yeah, that's the I've I've ever attended any school. Okay.
So I want you to keep S2, Q6, S2, Q9, S2, Q8 is going to help us. Then there's another one. What is the name highest see qualification too. S2, Q10. So write it.
Oh, where is my pen? Oh God. What? Okay. It's not easy to be a data analyst.
Be a data. Ah, family pen is not writing. Make I carry all of them. One go shall write. S2, Q6.
Q6
S2, Q6
and
is asking if ever attend school. So that one is going to be
yeah,
yes or no. Ever attend school. S2, Q8 is what? The age.
the
Age
age.
they start schooling.
Mm-hmm.
Age start schooling. S2, Q9. Highest what?
S to Q9.
Highest
S to
educational level.
Q yeah, highest educational level.
S2, Q10.
Q10 highest qualification.
Highest qualification. Okay? So you are going to keep 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Don't forget, the information you are extracting should be for the household head from zone 4. That's the assignment.
Your last statement.
Extract
Mm-hmm.
extract data
Mm-hmm.
for household head
For household H head. Okay.
in zone 4.
In zone 4. Okay.
Then you are going to rename the question 2 is rename the identified variable. Rename.
Rename. Okay.
Yes, rename those variable extracted.
Okay.
So we are going to submit this to me on Thursday.
Okay.
So you will have time to go through it again, then you extract and you send to me. I will check it. You can send it either through WhatsApp or you send it to my mail.
Okay.
Don't
Ah,
forget, you are going to extract for individual that are household head. Household head code, individual code is 1. Then in the first
okay.
one, we extracted for zone 4. Do you get it? Case closed.
Okay.
So I want to
Okay. So
appreciate.
first of all, I will do I will extract the
Yes,
individual ID. Yeah, and then there's zone 4.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Then you will now keep those the variables that you need. You only need 4 out of how many? 131.
Okay.
You will now save it as household ed education. That's those from zone 4. I don't know the zone of ed. I think it's southeast, abi. You can do it
Oh,
when you relax small. Do your assignments now, go through it. You are not going to forget. So how do you feel? Let me give you like 5 seconds to relax your mind.
plenty, a lot of things has enter
A
this
lot of things
coconut.
has entered. Good, good. So how do you feel now?
Ah, what can I say? I'm feeling. I mean, it's enough though. It's quite okay, but it needs time and then relax. We need to relax. They need to.
Yes.
I mean, you have to ponder over it. You go over and over and over. Yeah, you need
Thank
more
you.
practice,
That
more
is the feeling.
practicals.
You need to practice. That you see, I did not use my screen. You are the one that have been doing it. So
Mm-hmm,
well
mm-hmm.
done. Well done. Seriously, I must commend you. You are getting it faster and I love it. So thank you so much. Keep
You're
enjoying.
welcome. So yeah, the Friday I will send you the remaining
Yes,
my
as discussed. Okay, okay. Thank you. I did not want to say that online, but you get the gist. So God bless you.
amen, amen. And I'm just
Amen.
letting you know. Yeah. So
Yes, I know, I know. You know, like when people promise, I just remove my mind.
no problem.
All right.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So if I have a question, I'll let you know. I mean,
Of course, you are free to always send your question in. God bless you. I love the
um,
way I'm working with you, and I'm happy. My mission is to plant seed and see it growing. You know, when you
yeah,
started, you said you don't know anything about analysis, and you were looking at it like, is it going to be possible? Shey?
yeah.
But now you are doing it. So that is it. Nobody should say, oh, you can't get it. I think you are the one that told me that you've asked some people to teach you. They said,
Yes, yes. I asked some people to teach. They said that it's not easy. It's very tedious. I mean,
uh,
you can't.
but you are
You can't.
doing it now. You see?
I'm doing it
You
now,
are no
but gradually,
longer a
gradually,
no.
gradually,
Yes.
gradually, gradually, yeah, I'll be there.
Yes. So well done. Well done.
Thank you.
All,
So, I mean, you send me the
I will
the
send it.
recording, right?
Yes. I will send this one too. I will edit and send to you now.
Okay, you edit it and send it to me. Thank you, perfectly.
You are welcome.
I appreciate it. So,